Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring core tools are ready, a C compiler and a debugger, plus a project folder. Once installed, create main. C with a minimal main function, and in it get so changes stay tracked. Then write and run the compile command, gcc wall wextra o app main. C to catch obvious syntax and warning level issues early. This first step saves debugging time later because you enforce consistent compilation and a repeatable workflow before adding complexity. Once the basic build works, modularize your code. Create headers and separate C files so compilation units stay small and testable. Use a makefile or build script to automate compilation and link steps. That reduces manual errors. Then add focus tests, either a unit test framework or small test programs, to validate each function. While testing, use GDB for logic errors and run valgrind or address sanitizers to detect leaks and undefined behavior, because C mistakes often hide in memory management. You finish by validating correctness before optimizing. First, make sure tests pass across inputs, then profile if performance matters. Document how to build and run, and add a release tag in Git so you can revert if needed. If something breaks, enable sanitizers, compile with fsanitize equals address, undefined, and rerun tests to pinpoint memory errors or undefined behavior. Once fixed, rerun your full test suite, update documentation, and commit. This closes the loop, so future changes stay safe and traceable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.